Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the 10 UN Academy series, and this is English Nerd. So I got home from work today, and guess what I found? This, I believe, is the hardcover version of Kingdoms on Fire, which I've obviously seen the cover I showed you guys, but I haven't seen the hardcover, like an actual copy, so let's take a look. Give me a moment while I wrestle this box open because it's not convenient. Okay. Please hold. Okay, so the box is really heavy and it's kind of awkward because the book is it's like over 2 pounds and it kind of keeps sliding from side to side. This box is enormous for one book, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. That's what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Look how huge it is. Ooh, and it has the quotation in the back. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so we have the information, the blurb there. That looks really pretty. I love the, you can see inside the column sort of. It's really pretty. The book itself isn't, the most thrilling, but it looks like the others. Okay, let's look at the back flap. Yep, just me. But okay, yeah, look how beautiful that is. Okay, time for some maps. Let's do it. Yes, all right. That's what that map should look like. There we go. We have the world map. Okay, come on. And the city map. City map looks really good too. Now, part of it's kind of cut off, which is a bummer. There might have been a slightly better way of doing it, but man, that looks good. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that. It looks so pretty. This is what I wanted. I don't know if I'm going to post it, so I'll just tell you. The paperback came before this, but it had formatting issues because I had made a mistake. And so it looks funky on the inside. All the margins are off, and it was also shiny. This is supposed to be shiny, the hardcover jacket, but the paperback was supposed to be matte to match the other ones. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, the hardcover has the bonus story inside. So let's see. Ooh, yes! There it is. That looks so good. Dang it. There it is. The story. Look at this. It's just gigantic. I love it so much. It's just so huge. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to be bringing this to school tomorrow just to appreciate what it looks like. I mean, look at that. It's just very Instagram worthy. Absolutely beautiful. Ooh, I have to do something. Here, let me just take this off for a sec. I'll be back. Let's look at them all together, shall we? Look, I guess for you it would be the other direction. Look how beautiful that is. Oh man. I'm really proud of myself. These are 3 big, awesome books. And the whole series is done. that's it. I mean, there will be more Tanuan Academy series books that are coming out that I'm working on currently, but wow. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. So that is it for my unboxing of Kingdoms on Fire. This is just, it's almost surreal holding up all three. Oh my word. Yeah, that's really, really cool. Okay, yeah, I guess I'll sign off. I have other unboxings to do. It was like the most exciting coming home from school and checking the mail experience. Yeah. Yep, I'm really happy. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to pre-order Kingdoms on Fire. It's available for pre-order everywhere. Ebook, paperback, and hardcover, which of course you want to get because look at that. Why wouldn't you? It's absolutely beautiful. But Amazon, Barnes & Noble, wherever you normally get books, you can just pre-order it there. And then the official release date is July 6th. So be there. I will be. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Bye.